Welcome to Particle Pharma. Hope you all are fine. In the previous session, I have talked about what is cell pathophysiology. So you can find it on our channel. Researchers, they have given statement about cell pathophysiology as it is an abnormal functioning of cell, either complete cell or its constituents or subcellular organelles. So these are the kind of cell pathophysiologies which we will be coming across as cell cycle dysregulation, mitochondrial dysfunction, membrane transport dysfunction, lysosomal dysfunction, endoplasmic abnormalities, aging and senescence of cell, genomic instability that can be found, oxidative stress, inflammation and immune response, cell injury or death, and cell cycle disruption, due to which there will be a production of abnormal daughter cells and there will be an abnormal functioning of cell. If cell is not performing well, means the functioning of whole organism is getting affected. So these effects are divided as either reversible cell injury or irreversible cell injury. In reversible cell injury, cell can perform its function as that of the previous time. Whereas in irreversible cell injury, cell cannot perform its function well as that of the previous one, or cell cannot perform its function completely as that of the previous time. Sometimes it will perform partially, and partially cell will get affected. So that kind of injury is known as irreversible cell injury. So these are the type, or I can say kind of pathophysiologies that have been observed till now. Still research is going on how these pathophysiologies are working, means how these mechanisms are getting proceeded inside the cell and what other cell pathophysiologies can be observed. So here is a plan to proceed or how we are going to study about the cell pathophysiologies in the further sessions. Initially, we will learn about the disease. What is that disease or exactly what is happening to the organism and in which population, example, in which population that is happening. I'll take an example of just cell injury. So in which cell it is taking place, in which population it is happening, and what actually it is happening. Next step is why it is happening. Etiology or causes means why it is happening, what is the reason behind it, or what are the agents that are involved in causing that disease or disorder. Moving on, we will also evaluate how it is happening, that is pathophysiology, how it is getting proceeded or progressing, and how much time it will take or how much seriousness it has, whether it is in mild or moderate or in severe condition. Proceeding in the way, we will come to know how to evaluate about it, how we are coming to know that that organism is having that disease due to that agents. So what all procedures are required to conduct to know about that disease, that we will come to know or learn in diagnosis section. Lastly, in our plan, we will also see how to handle or manage the situation or that disease or disorder in a proper way, so the affected organism should get treated at earliest and in a proper manner, so that there should not be any more complication to that organism. But still more information is also available or it is need to be found. So in the coming session, we will study individual pathophysiology. So we are studying these terms. Still more terms are also there and there is no limit to the knowledge, as sky or above the sky is the limit. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.